Hello, kids! During this week, we're going to learn about a new topic. We're going to learn about our family. So let's start. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I am good. I am good. I am great. I am great. Okay, let's continue. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. How's the weather? It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is windy. It is snowy. It is rainy. How's the weather? Okay, let's start with our family. My family. Grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, father, father, mother, mother, brother, brother, sister, sister, baby, baby. Okay, kids, that was all. So don't forget to stay sane and stay safe at home and always wash your hands. Kisses, kisses. Bye bye.